Trucks. Final feature of the 70th season opener, the McLean brothers coming in for green. Brady and Connor, green flag in the air. Still side by side, Bob Johnson trying to thread the middle there. I thought he was going to thread the needle, but I thought he was too. Now he's trying to... Look out, now he jumped up to that number 2 position. Connor McLean out front in the 442, the 42 of Brady McLean. They got Bob Johnson in the McLean. That's what you call brotherly love. They didn't look out for each other. They let a polecat slip up in between them. Connor McLean, cheerleader, Bob Johnson, second, all over the rear deck lid of that 442. Tailgate. He's playing with him. He's going to try to make his move. He's going to let him pass. There, I thought he was going to come on the inside, but the 442 and Clayton, but they was not going to let it happen. Now he's on a tail again. Connor McLean continues to lead. Bob Johnson second. Just a little bit to 40 on the straightaway. 5 laps complete. Halfway this time, cross flags in the air from Jonathan Smith on the flag stand. Halfway home, Connor McLean, your race leader. Bob Johnson was looking on the inside, but could not make that turn. That truck would not stick. Connor McLean still holding on to the number 1 position. Bob Johnson, a runoff of 2 that time, just couldn't quite take it. Starting to run out of laps. He's had enough laps in the tire tracks what he needed to get around. That was lap number 8. 4 laps to go. Will Bob Johnson do it, or will he not? Connor McLean still saying, I want it. Number 1 now, look out, he's looking on the inside. Will he get it? Will he get it? No. Connor McLean, Bob Johnson. Only 2 to go for the 99, Buddha. What do you think? They're battling it out. That's a great race. Look out, he's coming on the inside. Bob Johnson taking that inside turn. Moving, Bob Johnson is our leader. White flags out, 1 lap to go. What a pass by Bob Johnson. Waited till the final moments and got around Connor McLean. Bob Johnson through turns 3 and 4, off the turn of the 4, back for final solar connection victory lane.